I just bought this for my second cat to fly to Germany with us. So it opens on all four sides. Well, I'm gonna leave it out for the next couple months and hopefully he'll want to play in it. Everything's completely open. Boo Boo, go in it. So I got these for the road trip from Oregon to Nebraska, so they're pretty old. He loves catnip like no other. So I'm probably gonna buy a spray beforehand, and then oh yeah, I'm gonna put this little like feline sticks in there, and then I'm gonna go sprinkle some of this inside the cat carrier. Boo Boo. Yeah, you know what this is. In there. But hopefully he gets comfy in it. Like for your for your camp.
Yeah, because they have a gun shop as well, so and stuff.
Just had my last day at Scooters and it was really fun, and it makes me a little bit sad, but I have so much to do when I get back from this trip, so I don't want to even like be thinking about work, because I have to redo the house and get it ready to sell, which I have no idea how to do that. I have a bunch of stuff to sell because I'm trying to downsize as much as possible before moving to Germany. Are you excited for food? You want some breakfast? Is it breakfast time? It's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I leave for Japan on Friday. Tomorrow, I have nothing. It should be my last day to stay home, not do anything. Next day, I have a hair appointment to fix my roots before I go. And then the following day, I'm dropping the dogs off with their dog watcher. I have a friend coming over to watch the cats, and then I need to go to bed as early as possible, even though I won't sleep, as my flight is at 5 a.m. on Friday, which means, luckily it's a small airport. Like I've said before, I will probably leave at like 3:30, 4, probably 3:30 to be safe. That'll be my plan. Give myself an hour there, which really I'll only need like a half hour at most. So I'm gonna get up at probably like 3 a.m. which is basically the same thing as getting up for work anyway. I got up at 3:30 today. Hopefully last time. I still haven't committed to quitting, but probably will be. I just don't want to tell myself, because it's fun. Like the job itself is fun, but the people kind of suck. Like the corporate. I went grocery shopping yesterday. I counted out everything, so I have everything lined up to finish out this week in food. I meal prep everything. And then I have my plates, which I forgot until yesterday that they expired like 3 months ago. They expired while I was on my last trip in Korea and I didn't even notice. So I sent in a check and everything for them, but I don't know if I filled out like the right form, because they always have issues with it because I'm an Oregon resident, even though I live in Nebraska. And it's always like so confusing for them. I made my matcha with protein, that's what I have every day at work. And it's 9:30 right now, so I'll wait another hour and a half before I start making lunch. And apparently it's gonna be really cold and rainy on this trip, so I'm having to rethink my packing, because I have done one pre-pack already, thinking, oh, it's gonna be spring and nice and cherry blossoms. But no, it's apparently gonna be raining in 50s. There's a frost warning, there's gale warnings. So that's what we're gonna do today. Snacks on here for the plane ride. My first time using this bag, which Chris bought for me. He bought us matching bags. So for one, I'm bringing these. They're very comfy. I think they're gonna be my plane pants. These will be back up. They are very, very stretchy skinny jeans. They're really comfortable because they're very stretchy. See, this is the kind of weather I was thinking. I'm like, spring, nice. This is what I usually wear on the plane, which I wanted to bring because I feel like no matter what I wear, it makes me look nice. So I like, see, I'm wearing like, what are these are like Under Armour pants, and I put this on, and I look fancy. Else, I just realized I have a sweater and it's really cozy, and I forgot that I got that for this trip as well, which would make it 2 big sweaters, 3 coats, and a trench coat. So now I definitely feel like I can't bring the trench coat. I just really want to, I haven't gotten to like wear it for any trips. I might have to wait until Germany. This side. Oh, this is for all the toiletries and stuff, but I was debating whether to bring a second pair of shoes. At least in this next pack, I took out these 2 shirts, but I'm gonna go put it away. It is Wednesday. I am about to leave to go get my hair done. Just gonna fix up these roots. So I just ate a really early lunch. I usually don't eat until like 11 to 12, and it's 10 and I just finished it. So we're gonna go get that done, and I'll show you after. Just got my hair done. It's nice and blonde again. And now I always stop by Sitcha on my way home because it's out here, so I'm gonna go get some boba. I got jasmine green tea with salt cream cold foam on it and boba. So I'm trying to think of what else I have to do. I texted the girl that I'm dropping the dogs off at. I'm gonna drop them off tomorrow morning. Not early morning, but maybe like noonish, actually. And then I just need to do my final pack. And I think that's everything. I need to take videos and pictures off my phone so I can free up some space. I think that's everything. I'm ready to go to Japan. Oh, so good. I got pants that I went in store to find, like a week ago. And I got some other box that I don't know what's in it. Usually I'll bring like a mini backpack and that's what I'll travel with. Like for after, like when we get there. But I don't think I want to carry one this time. It's always kind of annoying. So if I got a big enough sling, I could fit all that in there. Because I have like a little mini purse. Because I don't wear purses. Okay. This is what I used last time. And it fits my passport with its case, like the passport holder, but just barely. So it kind of sucks to like zip up and stuff. So I wanted to get something a little bit bigger that would fit my passport in it. Oh, what? I get Sakura Co. Like, not sponsored or anything, obviously. And like, I literally just finished my box. See, like these are the shrimp chips of it because I don't eat seafood. And I got that last week. It was like 4 days ago. And this is like the same stuff that I got in it. I'm confused. They sent me 2. I mean, I'll take the accident, but yeah, I literally got all of this. I wonder why they sent a second one, and they better not charge me for it. Another bag of shrimp chips. Like, isn't this a cute? I guess now I have matching plates for it, so that's cute. This, oh my gosh. This was actually delicious. It's like a little jelly type thing, and then you like pour Sakura stuff on it. So I am excited to have 2 of those. Dorayaki is like one of my favorite desserts. My goal is to find fresh dorayaki when we're in there. Oh, I need to put that on a list. I'm making a list of, because like I said, we've been there a couple times. I don't know when we're gonna go back because we are moving to Europe. So I'm making a list of things I'll regret if I don't see them. Oh yes, I'm excited for this one. I love red bean. It's like Sakura tea, so they're actual like just Sakura leaves, and then you pour water in it, and they bloom, and it's pretty. These really okay. They're 12 regular. I need to do laundry today. I'm dropping the dogs off, like I said, in the like early afternoon tomorrow, and then that's when I'm gonna clean the house because there's no point in cleaning when they're here. But clean the house, I mean, I'm gonna vacuum and I'm gonna mop the floors because they're dirty. Also, I'm gonna get my car washed tomorrow. Ready to go? Yeah. He likes to be hidden. So I made a cave in there, cave in there, cave in there, and cave in there. And he loves them. And then I put this little thing out because of him.